Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video we're taking a look at another pocket knife, and this one is a Bulldog brand pocket knife. These are made, the blades are made in Germany, in Solingen, Germany, and the knife company is out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. Now I think they kind of sporadically make knives, or maybe they aren't making knives anymore. This particular knife is from 2000, and it's obviously from 2000 based on the scale, and it's what they listed as a canoe style knife, and I got it because it's kind of just pretty looking. I also want to take a look at some of the more traditional style knives, like the grandpa knives. So let's see. It says, I wish I could tell if y'all could see this on camera or not. It has a little Bulldog and 2000 on the blade. And then on the larger blade, it's got a bunch of stuff. And it's got 2000, Anno Domini, and the Bulldog brand, and on the blade itself, just a little Bulldog logo. Okay, let me see if I can get the light on it so y'all can see it. Yeah, the Bulldog logo, and the back it says Bulldog brand, hammer forged, Solingen, Germany. There's that. I know it's tough to see with the glare and all. I'm trying to get it lined up so I can read the text. Kind of a pretty looking knife. It's also pretty solid. And it wasn't super expensive. I think it was like 35 bucks when I found it. Now, again, I don't know. You're probably going to have to check somewhere like eBay or just sort of hunt random knife stores online. Maybe some point in the future a knife show. I don't know. It's kind of a neat looking knife. I'll tell you one thing, and this might be just me. I almost wish it didn't say 2000 on it. I wish it just had the normal scale, because I like the look of the scale itself, and it's a pretty scale. Anyway, have any of y'all tried Bulldog knives? If so, what do you think? Like, do you like them? Are they a good choice? Are you more a traditional Swiss Army knife person? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about the... that's not very sharp. Alright, so it's not super sharp for sure. So, yeah, I don't know how I feel about the older grandpa style pocket knives. I like the whole concept of having a decent sized blade on your grandpa pocket knife, but I don't know. I feel like this one needs sharpening. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any ideas for anything you think I should check out, you can also let me know down in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.